We're high on the hill here at 32 Valley Road in Wembley Downs. You have beautiful aspects out over the valley, through the treetops, out to the west and also to the east. The home itself is set on a beautiful 700 square metre block surrounded by lovely native gardens. All of the hard work has been done here and it is absolutely move-in ready. There's beautiful spaces both indoor and out, and this fantastic connection out to the backyard here. The home absolutely has all of the accommodation and living areas you need, but it is the sense of home and place that will really make you fall in love with 32 Valley Road. To live in one of the most desirable locations in Wembley Downs in all of the great school catchment areas, give me, Nick Holt from Shellabears Real Estate, a call to get your private viewing through 32 Valley Road. This property will not last long and you must call me immediately to come and have a look.